I'm just out here drifting, way past the limit, looking at eternity, trying to stay within it. An artistic pose, yeah, it's ripping through my day. Even when the trials come and try to get in my way, I feel the tension rising, yeah, it's getting deep, while all the secrets of my spirit go to sleep. Just trying to measure every breath I take, you know, between the high life and the shadows down below. I'm trying to keep it steady now. When the anxiety starts to pull me down, yeah, the storm is raging all through the night, but I'ma keep my essence leaning to the light. Just gotta hold it down, find my own way. Moving forward to a better day. Keep it steady, yeah. Life's an infinite flow, or so they say. Just catching these rhythms, making my play. A harvest of moments, a feast in my mind, searching for the grace that I'm trying to find. Is this for real, or am I just feeling empty? This wandering ego, yeah, it's trying to tempt me, lost in the echoes of phantom in the dark, until I find that center, a little spark. I'm trying to keep it steady now. When the anxiety starts to pull me down, yeah, the storm is raging all through the night, but I'ma keep my essence leaning to the light. Just gotta hold it down, find my own way. Moving forward to a better day. Keep it steady.
Tiny fragments caught upon the breeze, pink petals dancing through the silent trees. It looks like the end to everyone I know, but for me, it's just the start of the show. Yeah, it's just the start. Walking on the colors scattered on the ground. Higher vibes are all that I have found. One by one, as they start to descend, I'm feeling something that'll never end. I'm falling for you. Flowers are fading, but I'm coming through. Falling in love. The seasons are moving, but I'm stuck on us. I'm just falling for you. Yeah, I'm falling. Coffee in my hand, and your laugh in the air. Little moments, yeah, they're everywhere. They say the bloom has to die for the fruit to grow. Maybe we're ripening, I don't know. You know what I mean? This velvet path, it isn't the end. It's the red carpet to my only friend. They call it the fall, but I call it the start. Writing love across my beating heart. I'm falling deeper. I'm falling for you. Flowers are fading, but I'm coming through. Falling in love. The seasons are moving, but I'm stuck on us. Just falling. Even when the pink turns into the green, I'll still for you. Falling.
Yeah. Looking at the stars, they're glowing for the soul, lighting up the spark, I'm losing all control. Eternal melodies, playing lines of gold, a story of a flame that never grows old. Yeah, it's glowing, rising from the silence. Yeah, it's getting bright, measuring the breath within the golden light. I'm becoming the fire, rising from the grace, finding my own rhythm in this empty space. Ooh, blooming fire, watch it fly, sparkling like a diamond in the summer sky, blooming like a rose, burning through the night, giving everything, leaning to the light, radiant and wild, beautifully divine. Watch the fire and the flower intertwine. Spark in the dark, cutting through the deep, where secrets of the spirit used to go to sleep. A symphony of heat, so sweet and so fierce, a vibration that the heavens pierce, catching that vibration. Beauty from the ashes, joy from the deep, rising from the stillness where the shadows creep. I'm blooming, I'm burning, I'm free. Yeah, radiant.
Yeah. Just a little bit of coffee, a little bit of you. Steam rising slow from this ceramic cup, watching the gray clouds starting to bunch up. I'm tracing the silver lines down on the pane, getting lost in the rhythm, the song of the rain. The silence is heavy, the coffee is warm, but I'm looking for a shelter inside of this storm. Yeah, inside of this storm. I'm replaying the tapes, every word, every look, trying to find the page that we tore from the book. Was it something I said? Was it something you did? Or just a secret that the universe hid? It's so hard to tell. It's just raining in reverse, yeah. Falling up to find you first, yeah. Rain, rain, stay for a while. I'm just drowning in your smile. Yes, raining, raining, always raining for you. Yes, raining in reverse. Is it me? Is it you? Is it just how it is? The logic is fading, a watery mist. Maybe the timing was slightly offbeat, like a lonely piano on an empty street. We were a symphony, now we're a blur. I'm missing the person I thought that we were. I'm missing you. I'm sipping the bitter, I'm tasting the sweet, watching the puddles forming down at my feet. It's too difficult, baby, it's too much to wait. Should I reach for the phone? Should I just let it stay in the middle of the wild? It's just raining in first, yeah. Falling up to find you first, yeah. Rain, rain, stay for a while. I'm just drowning in your smile. Yeah, it's raining, raining, always raining for you. The cup is empty now, but the rain doesn't stop. Was it me? Was it you? Or just the situation? Just stay for a while.
Am I shining or just burning out? Wrapped in a velvet shadow of doubt. The space is so wide, the silence is deep. I'm a promise the universe couldn't keep. Just a tiny spark in a sea of black, waiting for a light that's never coming back. I used to know why I was here before the purpose started to disappear. Now I'm just drifting cold and thin, trying to remember where I begin. I'm just a midnight star, wondering where you are. Alone in the black, I'm never coming back. Just a midnight, midnight. Are you looking up? Ooh. Do you see me from your world below? Or am I a ghost you let go long ago? The constellations, they all have a name, but I'm just a flicker in a dying flame. Maybe I was made to just fade away into the blue of a coming day. Into the blue. It's so quiet, it's so cold, a story that will never be told. Is there anyone else out in the dark, or am I the very last spark? I'm just a midnight star, wondering where you are. Alone in the black, I'm never coming back. Just a midnight, midnight. 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 Last star. Did you find what you were made for? I'm still here.
Routine was a comfort, the campus a stage. Familiar scripts on every yellowing page. Then the spring sunlight caught you in its reach, illuminating things no lecture could teach. Walking from a distance, a halo in your hair, turning every ordinary moment into something rare. And oh, the way the light catches your nose, suddenly the world is more than I suppose. A golden rim around your lips as you pass by, an unexpected focus in a wide blue sky. Just a flicker, just a halo in the sun, proving that the day is only on the stone. A perfect silhouette I'd never quite known. The bridge of your nose, the curve of your chin, marking the exact moment the magic begins. From a world in black and white to a world in gold, a story I'm suddenly desperate to be told. And oh, the way the light catches your nose, suddenly the world is more than I suppose. A golden rim around your lips as you pass by, an unexpected focus in a wide blue sky. And just a flicker, just a halo in the sun, proving that the day has only just begun. Proving that the day has only just begun. The world keeps spinning, the students walk on, but for me, the ordinary routine is gone. Just one look in that golden hour haze, and I'm lost in a whole different maze, in the halo of the sun. In the halo of the sun. Ooh, just begun.
Always the same look on your face. Don't trip now. Yeah. Walking down the hall in your number 10, the captain's bag, yeah, here we go again. You're tough on the field, leading all the plays, but when I walk by, you're lost in the maze. Looking like a deer in the morning light, staring so hard, yeah, it's quite a sight. Yeah, why you so quiet? I saw you last winter, freezing in the snow, trying to be cool, but I already know you're a nerd in a jersey, a sweetheart in disguise. I can see the oh my god written in your eyes. Don't be so clumsy, boy. What you looking at? Looking at? Why you acting like that? Acting like that? Captain of the team, but you're shy, and it's a fact. What you looking at? Tell me, boy, is it the hair? Is it the glow? You're falling so hard and it's starting to show. Stop staring, start talking. What you looking at? Yeah, you're so transparent, baby. My girls are all whispering, what's with the guy? The big MVP with the big brown eyes. He's frozen like a statue, he's glued to the floor, but I've seen this movie a million times before. You're cute when you're nervous, dripping on your feet. Is it my lip gloss that's making you so sweet? Tastes like strawberry. Yeah. You think you're so low-key, but I see through the play. I've been waiting for you to just find something to say. Since the first snow fell, I've been keeping this space for the captain who blushes when he sees my face. Don't keep me waiting. What you looking at? Looking at? Looking at? Why you acting like that? Acting like that? Captain of the team, but you're shy, and it's a fact. What you looking at? Tell me, boy, is it the hair? Is it the glow? You're falling so hard and it's starting to show. Stop staring, start talking. What you looking at? You know I'm watching you too, right? Yeah. Number 10, don't fumble the ball now. He's so cute. What you looking at? Just keep looking. Maybe tomorrow you'll find the words. Wait, what? Yeah, I'm waiting. Just begun.
yeah. What does it mean? I'm lost in the green of your eyes. Walking down the hall, staring at the wall, I can still recall the way you made me fall. You're acting so cool, like we're back in school, but you're breaking every rule, making me a fool. I'm a captain on the field, but my heart is never sealed. Now the secret is revealed, all my logic has been yielded. Yeah, you got me, girl. You're moving fast, then you're moving slow. I'm high on the wave, then I'm feeling low. I need a sign, just a little glow. Which way do we go, baby, let me know. What do you mean? What you mean? You're making a scene, stuck in between, like a movie screen. If you know what I mean. Is it red, is it green? What do you mean? Yeah, I'm spinning around. Why'd you give a wink? Made my heart sink. Now I can't even think. Standing on the brink, do I look pretty in the middle of the city? It's a crying pity. You're so smart and witty. Then you said Chipotle in the middle of the day. Got me losing my way with the words you say. Is it lunch? Is it the date? Baby, don't make me wait. Don't leave it to fate. What do you mean? What you mean? You're making a scene, stuck in between, like a movie screen. If you know what I mean. Is it red, is it green? What do you mean? I'm a nerd in a jersey, yeah, you know it's true. Every single clue leads me back to you. Is it just a game or a different frame? I'm calling out your name, but it's never the same. Stop the play just for today. Show me the way, don't drift away. Tell me what you mean. What do you mean? What you mean? You're making a scene, stuck in between, like a movie screen. If you know what I mean. Is it red, is it green? What do you mean? What you mean, baby? Chipotle or me? I'm still confused, but I'm still with you, yeah.
You got me up. Is it the coffee or is it just you? I think it's you, yeah. Ever since that island, I'm living in a dream. Walking on the sunlight, catching every beam. Got me plotting love like a little scheme. Sweet and so smooth like a vanilla cream. I'm wide awake at 3, thinking about the view. Every single thought, yeah, it leads me back to you. My heart is skipping every single beat. You're the only candy that I wanna eat. Dancing by myself on a lonely street, waiting for the moment that we're gonna meet. You got me fluttering, I'm your espresso, you're my caffeine. Best little thing that I've ever seen. Keep me up all night, if you know what I mean. Living like a king, living like a queen. Sweet caffeine, yeah, you're so Can't get no sleep in the middle of the night. Everything feels wrong till you make it feel right. Stars in my eyes, glowing so bright. Hold on to the feeling, gotta hold it tight. You're in my head, even when I'm fast asleep. A promise to my heart that I'm gonna keep. My heart is skipping every single beat. You're the only candy that I wanna eat. Dancing by myself on a lonely street, waiting for the moment that we're gonna meet. I'm your espresso, you're my caffeine. This little thing that I've ever seen. Keep me up all night, if you know what I mean. Living like a king, living like a queen. Sweet caffeine, yeah, you're so clean. The only 10 out of 10 in my routine. I'm in a state of flux and a magic flow. Got the moon girl feeling, got the inner glow. Never gonna stop, never gonna go low. You're the only secret that I wanna know. Is it love, is it rush? Is it just a crush? Look in my face, I'm starting to blush. Give me that shot. Give me that shot. You're better than my morning brew, yeah. So, you're my caffeine. Best little thing that I've ever seen. Keep me up all night, if you know what I mean. Living like a king, living like a queen. Sweet caffeine, yeah, you're so clean. The only 10 out of 10 in my routine. Sweet caffeine, no sleep for me tonight. Just you and me, double shot of love. Stay awake. Sun is out, yeah.
First date jitters.
Hurry up, you're too fast. Nah, it's perfect.
Walking up the trail, 1 hour in the breeze. Talking about nothing, passing by the trees. Got my heart racing, higher than the hill. Looking at the view, time is standing still. Look at the city from this amusement park. We've been talking since the morning, now it's getting dark.
Yeah, you look so good in the sun.
So tell me, what are we? What are we? Is it a date or just a fantasy?
Sweet churros and ice cream, tasting so fine.
I'm trying to read the signs, trying to make you mine.
What are we? Tell me, what's the vibe?
Got this beautiful feeling that I can't describe.
What are we? What are we, baby? Go back, da 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 da. Walking back down, the evening starts to fade. Thinking about the memories that we just made. Crispy pork cutlet on a quiet plate. Suddenly I'm wondering, is this a real date? You're blushing again. Hee hee, so cute.
So tell me,
What are we? What are we?
is it a date or just a fantasy?
Sweet churros and ice cream, tasting so fine.
I'm trying to read the signs, trying to make you mine.
What are we? Tell me, what's the vibe?
Got this beautiful feeling that I can't describe. it a date or just a fantasy?
Sweet churros and ice cream, tasting so fine.
I'm trying to read the signs, trying to make you mine.
What are we? Tell me, what's the vibe?
Got this beautiful feeling that I
can't describe.
First date jitters.
Are we walking too fast?
Nah, it's perfect. I've been holding this secret right from the start. Every time you look at me, you break my heart. I try to play it cool, try to be so blind, but you're the only replay running in my mind. From that morning jogging to the island sky, I knew I was a goner when I caught your eye. So here it goes, I'm putting it in vogue. No more mixed signals, no more playing rogue. I love the way you laugh, the way you speak to me. You're the only melody I wanna see. Oh baby, don't you see what you do? I'm completely, utterly, foolishly in love with you. Remember that park, our very first date? Walking up the hill, it felt just like fate. Eating sweet churros, admiring the view. Everything was perfect just because of you. Now we're eating cutlets, sitting in the shade, and I don't want this beautiful dream to fade. So here it goes, I'm putting it in vogue. No more mixed signals, no more playing rogue. I love the way you laugh, the way you speak to me. You're the only melody I wanna see. Oh baby, don't you see what you do? I'm completely, utterly, foolishly in love with you. I'm putting it in vogue. No more mixed signals, no more playing rogue. I love the way you laugh, the way you speak to me. You're the only melody I wanna see. Oh baby, don't you see what you do? I'm completely, utterly, foolishly in love with you. Yes, I'm in love with you right from the start. We made it here.
Right where we belong.
chasing the pace. Just sitting here looking at your beautiful face. We used to trip, always losing our time. But now you're my anchor, and baby, you're mine. From the morning run to the evening breeze, being with you is the ultimate ease. Who would've thought I'd get to hold you like this? Every single moment is a heavenly bliss. No more guessing games, no more what are we now? We found our rhythm, yeah, we figured it out. Through the storm, through the blue, through the beautiful sky. I'm just so glad that you're by my side.
Always by your side, boy. You look so cute when you're making us home. We don't need the world, we can just be alone. Remember the hill where the shadows felt right? Now we're watching the stars in the middle of the night. Eating our dinner, no rushing, no fear. Everything is perfect whenever you're here.
Who would've thought I'd get to hold you like this? Every single moment is a heavenly bliss. No more guessing games, no more
What are we now?
we found our rhythm, yeah, we figured it out.
Through the storm, through the blue, through the beautiful sky.
I'm just so glad that you're by my side.